Okay. Yeah, the audio is kicking in. There we go. Yo, what's up, chat? What's up, chat? There's literally no one. So last week Pratik was with us, but Pratik is out. He has some things to do. He's a little busy today, so we are just going to be completing up what we sort of left off last time. The stream was like quite deep into the night. I was like really tired, so we just skipped over the last few parts. But now we will go through those again a bit and fix whatever the things that were like not correctly done. So let's jump into it. Yeah, okay. So this is our project, right? We have built the entire thing, by the way. So I mean, in projects, if we go to personal industry, so yeah. Oh wait, yeah, we actually have a teamworks for this. Okay, looks like we don't have the command set in, but that's fine. Main.go, scanutils.go, statutils.go. Just build all of these up. Let's see, maybe we get a binary. Oh, actually, it will be, I think, the package name, right? Yeah, it will be the package name. Once that is okay. Uh, okay, there we go. We Yeah, okay. Camera is working again. We have our main file, so I think what we have to do is just /main and we give a add error, or actually even if we don't, that's fine at this point. Yeah, just have to give an email here. it is still, yeah, it will still give us like the correct this thing. So now the issue over here is that one sec. So the issue over here is this thing, right? We are getting a lot of these lines that we don't want. I don't know what this is. It seems like this is like a color thing or a terminal thing. I'm not sure. We'll have to check why is that showing up. So let's search why is my program showing characters along with colors when displayed on terminal. So I don't know why is that. Okay, keystrokes. No. Okay, no, this is for keystrokes, colorizing and terminal shell. Basics of terminal ANSI escape codes. Yep, yep. Okay, so let's see what are we even using to colorize this thing here. It's in stat utils. We have the last few functions that actually use these ANSI color codes here to. Okay, so it looks like these color codes are not exactly working out because it is wrapping up numbers like 37 and 102. Oh, it's like, oh, I get it. I think what's happening is we, yeah, I think it's a range issue. So what's happening is it can't print that much in this thing, the past, and we have exceeded the range somewhere. So days in last 6 months, 183 and 26. Is that correct? I think so, right? Um, 183 divided by 26 and what, why 26? What? No. We want the last 6 months, so that's 365. What? Yeah, no, so 365 by 2, which is 182. So 183 is fine, and then the weeks in last 6 months, so you just divide 182 by like 5, so it's 7 at 26. Yeah, okay, we divide 182. Fine, we'll take 182 then. So that is done. We don't really have any other constants over here. Yeah, generate columns. Oh yeah, this was the one that Gemini gave us. So I was like so fed up with what the error was that I just had to ask Gemini. But the actual issue was like a design issue. Basically, yeah, in the try part of the function over here. Yeah, so there was like an issue over here where if the directory is not actually a git directory where this repo.head is returning as something undefined, so that case wasn't actually correctly handled. It was basically just returning an error for some reason. Again, I already said that I was not going to handle like any this thing related to this library because that would just take even more time, right? So Go Get related stuff I had to look up using Gemini. Other than that, we are mostly almost 99% AI free because the main goal is to learn instead of just ship, shit out to the world. Yeah, but it looks like maybe on scan utils or we have it wrong somewhere. I'm not sure why is it like that. So okay, let's see in main.go maybe we have it. No, main.go doesn't. Okay, but I think it could be like this thing. Hmm, because also what is this where dot uh, where is it defined? Escape is this. Let's hope print cell. Okay, value and today flag. Right, this is how we are. This should work. I mean, don't get it. What is the issue then? Is it like do I need to increase the out of range thing? I'm not sure. Maybe we can reduce it since we just want the last 6 months. Yeah, let's see if we have any other cons. It's just only three, right? Yeah, process repos days in last 6 months. There's this is fine. Days in map is also calculated from this. So I don't know, maybe we can make this as 365. Let's do that 365 and then what is 365 divided by 7 is 52. Yeah, 2 weeks. Let's run this then. Oh, okay. We are getting something. And I think like the amount of has that increased or decreased? I am not sure. Like, okay, we don't know right now. So what I'll do is yeah, oh yeah, wait, it's supposed to be 182. And then dot slash mean, um, yeah, okay, yeah, it looks like even the colons are more, so it looks like it. So where do we even have colons in our code, right? It has to be in the this function. We don't even have colons, we have semicolons. That's what the issue is, right? Oh, okay. No, that's just the slice, man. Yeah, no, that's not. These are not valid. Yeah. So I'm not sure where are we exactly. Oh, okay. Function stats. This could be a possible culprit. Okay, let's commit this out for now. Yeah, I think this is something that we did for testing. Yeah. Yep. So this is done. Yeah, I think back when we were trying to ensure that this was working, that's when we basically made it so that this was sort of the thing that we would say, okay, before we render the actual graphical image, are the commits in the correct place and all. So we'll just go to scan utils and let's see, I think we do skipping file or something. Yeah, we don't want to give the user this error, right? We just want to keep it to ourselves. Or then we could do it using the ANSI codes. That would be cool to just try out for now. Let's see. Let's look at ANSI escape codes. Also, we'll also try to add a git ignore type file for this, so it doesn't check all the folders. Also, I mean, to be fair, like it's not going to really, yeah, mess with anything. This like it is so fast that it can probably search my entire PC and come up with files. Yeah. But anyways, so let's do that. Reset is this. This is reset. This is red. Red background. Okay. Ooh, spicy. Do we want it to be a red background? Do we want it to be like a yellow text sort of? I think it should be like a yellow text. Okay, so FG color is this. This is your FG color. So it goes slash x1b. Oh yeah, it got the special 38 2 2, and then we get the RGB and 0M. RGB 0M, and then now we need to reset it, right? How do we reset it? Uh, slash x1b. For reset it's 01335. 0 0 1 3 35. I forgot to put the B. Yeah, stays open then. 35M. 01335M is what we used to reset it. Okay, cool. So what is the yellow RGB code? We need like a nice. Okay, this could work. Let's go to, let's select a proper yellow X code. Yeah, canary yellow looks good, golden yellow looks good. Let's see, we'll do 255, 239 and 0. 255, 239 and 0. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, spicy. What? We got the color wrong or something? Oh, looks like we did. Wait, what even happened? Reset, reset. Oh, I think it's like only. Oh yeah, we could actually check here as well, right? Escape. Switch file. Oh yeah, it's 0n. Okay. Yeah, it's just 0n. Yeah. Also looks like okay. So the last. Hmm, okay. Yeah. Okay. Path and commits and uh, we only have path, right? Okay. Hmm. So what we could do is path dot split. We'll split it on slash and we'll return the um, -2. Doesn't do negative? No, they don't. Okay. Yikes. So path. No, we can't. That's fine. It's too. Yeah, it's too this thing. Too much of italic. Also, is I think we should go with bold and italic as well. So it's we said bold. Okay, so 1 and 3. 1 and 3 here. That will make it bold. No, it did not. Okay. Hmm. Uh, Fine. So what does the 38 and 2 even do? Oh, okay, so it's like just specifically for foreground color. Fine, I guess we have to do the X1B 01 013 013M. There we go. That is so cool. That is cool. I love it. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Is that almost looks so nice. Nice. Moving on. Maybe we can select like a better color, maybe like golden yellow 225 and 223. It's like barely different. And I feel like the current yellow is pretty good. So let's keep that. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. I like me likey. We could reduce the padding a bit or make it center aligned. Let's check. So get beginning of day print commits. We'll go there. Also, yeah, um, this is a little twisty. It's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I don't know. It should not be in that sequence, right? Oh, okay. Okay, so it seems we have Saturday, Friday, Thursday. I think we can fit. Let's see. Is it Tuesday? Wednesday. We can go for R4 as Thursday. Have Friday already. Saturday. Let's see. Does it really look that bad? Or okay, it just looks pretty confusing. Sunday, Monday. Also, it's wrong. What? Yeah. What the heck? Because look, it says that today is a Friday, which is not true. Today is Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday is coming up here. Okay, this is a bit messed up. Um, what? Yeah. Um, so the offset, calculate offset, weekday, and time now. Okay, it does calculate the offset. I'm not sure how this is not the way it should be because it's clearly wrong. Yeah, today is supposed to be Saturday. Well, at least the date is kind of correct. Yeah, so don't understand what's the point of an offset. Let's see what happens if we just okay, what the heck? Stat utils offset, yeah. Okay. Um Okay, so the offset basically allows us to check. Wait, is my time correct here? I think it is. Yeah, system time is correct. Interesting. Yeah, because it's not today. This is so the offset thing. Okay, this and this is correct. The fact that okay, oh, it's actually not right because we did everything on a Sunday, so it's like not exactly a week. So this was Sunday and this was Monday. Yeah, so Monday is supposed to be here. This is supposed to be Sunday. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, no, the offset thing is definitely messed up. I don't know. Like something is wrong there. Yeah. Let's add the offset. But then it's still something's wrong. I'm not sure how do we go about fixing that, but like okay, so this is still fine. I think there's like a 1 day sort of this thing that's happening. So normalize time zones, count days since, commit date. Hmm. Okay. Now something is wrong with our offset, clearly. So this is fine. Or maybe not. Let's see. So Monday was there. Thursday was there. So we just had we we just had like 3 days here and yeah, so clearly this is not true, right? Because Friday, this was not committed on a Friday. This was a Sunday and this was a Monday. So this should be below here, right? And or is it like the months are no still yeah. Also, what the heck is the status of we don't commit the let's commit this and let's see what happens, right? So if we fix wait what we didn't oh yeah we didn't commit the new things, right? So feed added y for the CLI or added graphic heat map for the CLI tool. Add CLI, remove um, text for the commits. Not was sure. What would you say? Remove text for uh, text showing the comments. Yeah, that's fine. This is this thing right here. We don't push that. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. We should see a commit today. Yeah. Okay. What we see 5 commits. Was it files? No, 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 no. I think it's like changes. 5 changes. Yeah. What are we? What? Dude, this go get thing. I am not. I should actually. Yeah. Yeah, now that I think about it. Slash get. No. Uh. Yeah, man. Quit complaining and just get good, right? Process, repos, days and paths, blah blah blah. This is not it. This isn't it either. Prints cells. Prints the cells. That's fine. Sort map into slice. Generate columns. Columns are good, I think. There's not an issue in columns, right? So January has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like Jan has 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. February has 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. March has 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. April has 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4 for May. June it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. For July it's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not wrong. Considering, I mean, so considering it's like the last 6 months, right? So regardless of what the months are, it's going to show this. Yeah. Yeah, it's just never going to be showing January or anything like that. Yeah. It's never going to happen. I think. No, maybe we are. Get beginning of day, calc offset, others, blah blah blah. No, where was the head? Where is head? uh, skip. There we go. Okay. Get plain open for head log options. Okay. Object commit days ago. Count since days. Count days since date plus the offset. Okay. Why do you need the offset again? Count days since date. So if I go here, yeah, today's date, then how has Flavio done it? Calculate offset. He has. Okay, maybe my calc offset is wrong. That's why. Okay, okay, yeah, so so he has done like a custom numbering to them. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, because Saturday is 1 and Sunday is 7, and yeah, let's actually check this, right? So uh, or just let's just check it in main. So we have this function here. Okay, we can all directly use it. No, but it just takes today's time, right? Okay. Yeah, no, I think it's a calc offset issue. Hmm. See, so we do need yeah, so switch weekday. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so time dot Sunday. No. So time dot Sunday our offset equals 7. Right case time Monday offset equals 6 and so on and so forth. Okay. 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. No, no 0. Oh, because we already have. Yeah. This is Saturday. We could actually be doing some custom logic here. Friday, Thursday, um, Wednesday, and Tuesday. It's going to be 5 here, 4 here, 3 here, yeah. Okay, and then we return offset. Yeah, okay, let's see if that changes anything. So, okay, yeah, it does. But then it shows today as a Sunday? What? Right. Well, no, so this is right? This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is a Saturday. This is correct. It's uh, hmm. This thing is correct. So the 5 that is today, if this is a Saturday, then this is fine. And actually, then we will actually have to change this thing as well. The dates. Then the dates are actually the way I wanted it to be initially, where it's month, right? Yeah, but I think instead of going ahead and changing that first, we should look at yeah, what the heck? Um, I I think I think something is wrong, princess. Um, yeah, this is fine. Oh, calc offset error iterator for each. Let's check. Sort the map, generate the columns, that's all fine. Hmm. Okay, so language specific. Wait, wait a minute, what? So why is it showing the same path every time, right? What? It's showing the same. Okay, let's just go out. Language specific. Go to Rust and delete this. See, because anyways it's not counting to any meaningful contributions. Just delete it. Oh yeah. So I think if the repository does not exist, we are getting an error. Um, where is that error coming from? Let's see. That's on line 52. Okay, yeah. Did I plain repository? Did I say? Okay, error repository not exists. If errors dot is comma dot not exists, right? This needs to be, yeah, repository does not exist. This needs to be red, so red RGB warning. Okay, now wait. Yeah, the stop sign one. That's 20422. Okay, 04, 2, and 2. Yeah. Oh, okay, because we didn't uh, return codes. Great, yeah. Okay, so I think we just have to uh, slash dot local get heat map. Yeah. Okay. So what I did as CDI is to and then go. Okay, why is my NeoVim shit so weird? That shit wank. Rust. Yo. Language specific. Yeah. All the Rust one is getting the hate. There we go. So at least now we are not getting the error, which is fine. But okay, given that today is yeah, we need to check the offset thing again, or the fill commits thing. Count days since date, right? We go here. I think this is also a place where I have messed up. Let's see, count days since date. That's it. Like, count days since date. Count. Yeah, but I don't think. Oh, oh, okay. So no, they are adding how many days passed since date. So I think what we are like not counting one day here. So we need to add that manually. I think this should fix it. So this is a Saturday now. That is a Sunday. No, no, I think that logic doesn't make sense. So we have to. Oh, also we did not. Yeah, commit day start. Okay, we got that. Days and now. Fine. I think we'll just days 0. We have the day start. Get beginning of day, right? Oh, what? Okay, we have now and we have the days. So um, Okay, yeah, back. Yeah, I had to go away for some work. That's fine. Okay, never mind. So now fixing this up. Also, I don't know what exactly is wrong here. I think it's just that the day thing is getting calculated incorrectly because we are not really. Mm, so okay, we are getting the days date dot add and time dot r is so this is just doing like divide by 24 this thing, then we add the days. uh yeah, okay, so we are not checking if the days are greater than. No, we are though. And actually, yeah, we could if days is less than 0, which is not going to happen. If But that's fine. If days is greater than equal to days in last 6 months, then return out of range. This is fine. Hmm. Okay. Getting the get beginning of day and this hours. Okay. So count days since date. Do we days is 0, days dot before now for date dot before now, and we are incrementing days by 1 for all of that, right? Yeah. Get beginning of day that so this should work. I mean, to be fair, this and that don't really make any difference as such to me, at least. Let's see. So okay, we have 5 today, and this is still wrong, by the way, because yeah, what I never made any commits on a Tuesday, right? I made, or what is this, Friday? All the commits that we did make. Yeah, no, I think okay. Let's do one thing. We'll clear all of this out. The only thing that we will look at is the current this thing. Add there. We'll add this the current one. Okay, so 8, 2, and 4. Hmm. So then why was it? Oh, because maybe in coding practices also that commit is going out. Yeah, that could be it. Okay, so this is 8, and this is like the earliest commit, right? We have we can look at actually the git log for this branch, and looking at it, we have 31 minutes ago we have this commit, right? um 6 days ago, so let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be over here exactly. Yeah, so this is getting messed up. And then 6 days ago add scan. Yep, yep. 6 days ago, 6 days ago. So okay, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, So it looks like, I think, Sunday, Monday. So then this is getting recorded incorrectly. This 8 should not be here. Because if this was on a Sunday, right? This commit should be above. Yeah, it was. It was exactly this thing. Actually, we can even do a git log to check it. Yeah, so Saturday, July 11, Monday, 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 Monday. So we have 2 commits on Monday. We have 1 commit on Saturday, 2 on Monday, and on Sunday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, that's like for this particular branch, or 4 counts, whatever. Hmm. I don't know. Let's see. Count days since date. We'll rewrite it. Commit date and time dot time. We'll just rewrite it the way it was intended, and let's see if there is any difference. Could be just because of this thing, the way it's counted. Right, date. So we'll say days equals 0, and for date dot since or before. Do we have commit date not before? Now that's where that add sorry, commit date add time hour 24 hours. So we basically add it to the commit date, and so that's like an update thing, right? Days plus plus commit date is greater than equal to time no, what if sorry, if days is greater than days in last 6 months, then return out of range. And we will return this thing. Oh wait, we will return days. No, but what I'm trying to figure out is what is exactly different about this that was not in this. It could be the days in the last 6 months gap. That could be it. What else? It could be the before now. So how does this work, right? It says that okay, today's this date, and before now, however many like whatever time we have, for that we will run a loop, and then we are basically reducing that time by 24 hours every time we run that loop. We know that it's always going to be this thing, a multiple of 25, because we have this, right? Beginning of daytime dot now, and should actually, yeah, still be able to date time. Let's see, wherever this is used, right? So it's used days ago, seed or author when, count days since date. Okay, this is a little sketch. Let's see, 2 today. Yeah, nothing changed actually. What tough range, return date, blah blah blah. Get beginning of day. Um, right. So this is also correct. Like the way it was intended, that's how we've done it. Calculate offset is also 7654321, which is fine. Print, commit, sort, map into slice. This we didn't really, yeah, for week in week, which is the generate columns thing for day in week. Wait, let's look at the constants that he has put in. Get dot file, that was for the first one. For the second one, what were the constants that they put? It could be that simply my constants are wrong and 183.26. Okay. Uh, it did not make any difference. Something's fucked, man. Switch day is greater than 100 and all. Yeah, this is like based on value and all. You're printing it. Print months. This is also fine. Months are getting printed correctly. Hmm. Yeah, we're just printing the start 3 letters. Generate column, sort map into slice, print. Hmm. Something is off. So c dot author dot when. So what does this even return? It returns a timestamp, dude. What? Yes, so that's why it's. I think. Where is? Because it should be. Hmm. Days ago plus plus. Yeah. Yes. Not equals nil. We panic. We return the commits. Yeah, this is all fine. Yeah, no, this is not what I see. Hmm. Oh, what is a purple? What is purple if you make any commit today? I think the color got changed or whatever, but that's fine. Process repositories. That's also fine. I think we've done it the same way. What is the issue that is causing is the question. So 4 commits is right, 8 commits is also right. If I do git log, we have 1 commit today, 2 commits. It might be taking the commits on the remote as well. Not sure how that works. Yeah, actually we can find out. Yeah, process repos, class lines, slice, whatever. Fill commits. Yeah. So we get the options from ref hash iterator dot log returns the commit history from the given log options. Okay. Log options from ref hash. It returns the hash and it's fine. Iterator dot for each. Okay. The iterator has the history. Hmm. So like it has all. It's basically like a list, right? Or a slice. And this is a whack shit, bro. Yeah. What? Hmm. Again, this uh, commit data. So the thing is that you are right. Time before now, get beginning of the, but then the commit date. Okay, let's see. Get beginning of day, commit date. Yeah, my bad. Wait. Think that should work. See, does that make any difference? No, it doesn't make any difference as such. What? I don't even know what's wrong then because today is not a Sunday. Yeah, today isn't a Sunday. Offset is 0. What the hell? I'm going to have to do the go mod tidy or whatever. So I'm not going to touch this. Let's see stats utils, right? So uh, and I have to throw it. It will start go. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's still think I'll have to rename it as like a text file for it to work. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It's still downloading, which is fine. Hmm. I'm not so sure on what exactly makes this work. Undefined stats. Okay. Okay. Stats utils.go. Stats utils.go. Works fine. What's the issue? Stats utils. Oh, you'll have to. Yeah. Okay. Oh, caps lock is on. Okay. Uh, Stats utils.go, which is correct. Oh, okay. Yeah, it could be. Mm, pass file lines to slice. Oh, what do we call it? Pass lines to slice. Yeah, it's error also. Wait, is null equals null. I don't know. This is we have log, right? Oh, we don't. Okay. Just yeah. Okay, even his shit is kind of wrong. So this is Sunday and this is Monday, according to him. Uh, yeah, no. I think we are going to have to figure out what is exactly wrong. Scan. Right, stats. Yeah, no, his shit is wrong too. His shit is wrong by default. Also, the days themselves are wrong. Like, no, it rebuilds it every time. So yeah. Oh, let's see. Um, yeah, I actually forgot to open chat. Fine. This is fine. I mean, to be fair, this is my entire PC. Oh wait, someone was. Oh shit, people are watching it somehow. What? Oh, what's up, guys? Shouldn't you be checking to see if the repository exists before attempting to open it? Yeah, I am. There is a function that just does exactly that, like the first line of that function. So in statutils, if we do git plain open here, this is checking exactly that. And if the repository does not exist, we do return an error. Trying to render history to the console. Yeah, descending to. Okay. Why not use map here instead of a search? Yeah, actually, map is a good option. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, both of them are pretty much just branching out statements, so that's fine. But yeah, map is also a good choice here. Part where you explained why you aren't using Cobra command assignment for a class. No, this is not an assignment. This is just for fun. Yash Bhunkar says practical videos kahan hai bhai? Bro, Yash, you graduated. Why are you doing practical videos now? The pixel compiler. I am talking now. My chat was closed. Damn crazy. People showed up. That's wild. Was not looking at chat. Okay, well, I think for now this is fine. Uh, yeah, okay, so I can't read some of the files in my root directory, so that's fine. But yeah, this is, I think the thing is that the days and all are pretty, this thing, misaligned. And so, let's see, generate columns, days in week 7. So this is correct. If days in week equals 6, calls week equals call So the functions we actually wrote are quite correct. It's just that okay, 183 weeks and 6 months, types columns. No, the constants are also correct. Again, I'm not sure if anyone is watching right now, but this is how the thing works, right? The git directories one. It selects a directory, it scans for all the git directories over here. If the directory is empty, we have like a fail safe for that. Then get path of all .git folders while scanning. Yeah, we get this. We make a slice with folder paths that contain .git. We store all file paths in a file, right? And then this is just like an overview of how it works. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. So this was the idea that I was initially going for, where we have a git ignore so we can like avoid some certain directories and whatnot. But yeah, that's something for later, I guess. What I am trying to figure out here is why is it okay? So someone no, I think uh, yeah, the offsets and all are correct. I really am not sure why are we going wrong. Because like yeah, I just don't know, man. Like what put dot head days plus plus time this yeah, I mean so what exactly is happening is that there's just one day offset that is sort of messing everything up. So everything is just offset back by one day once the week gets over. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Also, this is completely wrong, right? Because if this has to be Saturday, it's not Monday. Yeah, let's see. Print day call J. Okay, are we adding an offset here? Okay, we have not defined an offset here. For I and this J minus minus. Okay, we are going in reverse. Weeks in last 6 months plus. Okay. Yeah, so I think we can reverse this to make it 0, make it less than 7. So then this becomes oh, just a second. Uh, yeah. So this has to be less than weeks in the last 6 months. I is 0. Okay, obviously I plus plus. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So it just got flipped where now this is the current day and this is right though, because but still the commits and all are misnumbered. This is still coming up in the wrong place. So yeah, uh, there's no point in doing a G plus offset here then. Yeah. And to be fair, it's like just one day that is getting offset out. So I think it should be fine. I think what we'll do is we'll just change the days to make it actually realistic, right? So I think our 0 is a Saturday. So case 0 is a Saturday. Um, case then it should be like Saturday, Friday, so on and so forth, right? Uh, Friday. This is Thursday, so yeah, Wednesday is fine actually. Should be Monday. Yeah, so and that is supposed to be a Sunday. Yep. So I think what is happening is in print commits. So in print commits, we are printing the cells, and that is getting it a bit wrong. So special case today, calc offset -1, print call j, and yeah, um, print cell call of j false true if it. So what does print cell do if it is today? It's just a different color. Okay, that's fine. I think no, this is just wrong because it'll definitely just give us an error here. But no, yeah, just added an extra layer up there. And this is supposed to be case for so Saturday, Friday, Wednesday, and Monday. Yeah, this is actually much more accurate than what it previously was. Also, it's more readable, I think. Yeah, let's see how this looks. Okay, yeah, this is fair. Just need to add Tuesday and Thursday. So for wait, yeah, this was supposed to be 4, this is supposed to be 2. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Oops, okay. Friday is gone. Yep, okay. Also, I think we should have like a, what do you say, background for all of these, like a gray background. So let's check the ANSI escape codes, right? So green background, mm, bold, italic, magenta, bright magenta foreground, green background, reset, and red background. Okay. Do we get a choice for the background as well, or like what? Red foreground, default foreground color X1B 95M, green background. Let's see. ANSI code for gray and black or light gray background. Okay, they are X X1. This is for gray. Okay, so we want alternating rows to have this background, right? So in print cell, okay, but in print cell we're just getting a value. So in print cells we can do it. Weeks in last 6 months, print day call. You know what? I think I'm going to end the stream here right now. Maybe I'll resume it today later, not sure. Well, thanks for everyone who joined. I wasn't actually looking at the chat, so I couldn't know. But yeah, bye. Oh.